As digital banking becomes the go-to for many people, SoFi has made a name for itself with high-yield savings, zero fees, and a diverse set of financial products all in one app. If you're wondering whether SoFi is the right choice for you, you're not alone. With its unique offerings in checking and savings, mortgages, and even investments, SoFi has a lot to offer. But with so many digital options today, does it really stand out as the best choice for checking and savings accounts in 2024? Well, let's take a closer look at what SoFi offers to help you decide. Just a heads up though, if you decide to try SoFi along the way, I've dropped a link in the description to help you get the best deal available right now. It's a nice way to save a bit if that's what you're looking for. SoFi's combined checking and savings account is one of its top draws, offering simplicity and high rates in one place. While most banks keep checking and saving separate, SoFi has created an account that lets you manage everything together in a single integrated setup. This design is convenient for people who prefer having both accounts accessible through one interface rather than switching back and forth. The biggest highlight of SoFi's account is the APY. Currently, SoFi offers up to 4.20% APY on savings when you have direct deposit set up and 0.50% on checking. These rates are substantially higher than those at most traditional banks, where you'd likely see around 0.01% to 0.10% on a basic savings or checking account. For those who want to see their money grow without needing a specialized investment account, SoFi's high APY is a major attraction. But what does this look like in real terms? Well, let's say you have $10,000 in SoFi's saving account and you leave it untouched for a year. With the 4.20% APY, you'd earn $420 in interest after a year. Compare that to the $10 you'd likely earn at a traditional bank with a 0.10% APY. That's a meaningful difference, especially for people who are working toward financial goals like building an emergency fund or saving for a major purchase. It's also attractive for younger users who may not have substantial savings yet but want every dollar to go further. Moreover, SoFi's commitment to eliminating fees is another reason it stands out. Traditional banks often charge monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, and a host of other charges that can add up. SoFi's checking and savings account is genuinely fee-free. No monthly maintenance fee, no overdraft fee, up to $50 if you have direct deposit set up, and no ATM fees if you stick to SoFi's network of 55,000 ATMs through the Allpoint network. Then when it comes to keeping your money safe, SoFi goes the extra mile to make sure that you're secure. They offer FDIC Insurance, which means your funds are protected up to $250,000, giving you that essential peace of mind. On top of that, SoFi uses advanced security features like two-factor authentication and powerful encryption to safeguard your personal info. With around-the-clock monitoring to catch any suspicious activity, SoFi's got your back with a blend of tech and insurance that makes security a top priority. Beyond its high APY and zero fees, SoFi's checking and savings accounts has some extra perks that make managing money even easier. For one, they offer early direct deposit, which allows you to access your paycheck up to 2 days early. This can make a real difference if you need flexibility with cash flow and prefer to have funds available as soon as possible. Early direct deposit isn't exclusive to SoFi, but it's definitely a nice feature that adds convenience. Then there's the Vaults feature, which is especially useful if you're saving for specific goals. Vaults are essentially mini savings accounts within your main account. Let's say you're saving for a vacation, a new laptop, or just building up an emergency fund. With Vaults, you can set aside funds for each goal, making it easy to track how much progress you're making. Additionally, SoFi offers roundups, which rounds up each purchase you make on your debit card to the nearest dollar and deposits the spare change into a vault of your choice. These little automated savings features might not seem huge, but they add up over time and make saving effortless. Another advantage that sets SoFi apart is its FDIC Insurance. While most banks insure deposits up to $250,000, SoFi extends that coverage up to $2 million. They're able to do this by spreading your deposits across multiple partner banks, which means you can keep larger balances without worrying about surpassing standard FDIC limits. For people with larger sums in their accounts, this added layer of protection is a real benefit, offering peace of mind that, well, your funds are secure. And the SoFi Bank credit card is designed to be straightforward and just really easy to use overall. You earn 2% unlimited cash back on every purchase, and if you redeem it into a SoFi account like savings, checking, or even toward a loan, it feels more like you're putting your rewards to good use rather than letting them sit idle. The lack of fees, including no annual or foreign transaction fees, makes it simple and free of unnecessary hassle. It also works well with the SoFi app, so you can track spending or freeze the card if you need to, all from your phone. There's even the potential to lower your APR over time if you make on-time payments, which feels like a fair way to reward responsible spending. It's not a flashy card, but it gets the job done without complicating your life. If you're looking for something practical with real-world perks, it's worth checking out. If you're looking to buy a home or refinance an existing mortgage, SoFi's mortgage products could be a great fit. SoFi offers a range of home financing options, including fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages, refinancing options, and home equity lines of credit. Their digital-first approach makes the process simpler and faster, appealing to people who want a streamlined online experience. Their fixed-rate mortgages offer a stable interest rate throughout the life of the loan, which is great for anyone looking for predictability. Monthly payments won't change, so it's easier to budget over the years. This option is popular among first-time home buyers or anyone who wants to lock in our rates and not worry about adjustments. On the other hand, SoFi also offers adjustable-rate mortgages, or ARMs, which come with a lower initial rate that may adjust over time based on the market. ARMs can be appealing if you're planning to move or refinance in a few years and want to take advantage of a lower starting rate. SoFi's competitive rates in both categories makes it a solid option, especially if you're already a SoFi customer, as they offer discounts to members with direct deposit. For those of you who already own a home, SoFi provides refinancing options to lower monthly payments, change loan terms, or switch from an adjustable rate to a fixed rate mortgage. This can be a huge financial advantage if rates have dropped since you first got your loan, or if you want to reduce the length of your mortgage to pay off your home sooner. SoFi's digital refinancing process allows you to manage everything online, which saves time and hassle. And more on that home equity line of credit that I was talking about, which will just shorten to HELOC. This allows homeowners to borrow against the equity in their home. This type of credit can be useful for home improvements, consolidating debt, or even funding large expenses like education. SoFi's HELOC rates are competitive, and they don't charge origination fees or prepayment penalties, making it an attractive option for those who want more flexible financing. But SoFi isn't just about checking, savings, and mortgages. They also offer personal loans, student loan refinancing, and even investment options. It's a full-service financial platform, which is part of what makes it so appealing. Student loan refinancing was actually where SoFi got its start, and it remains one of their most popular products. For people with federal or private student loans, SoFi offers refinancing options that can help lower monthly payments or reduce interest over time. With the option to consolidate multiple loans into one and competitive rates, SoFi's refinancing is ideal for borrowers looking to save on student debt. Moreover, for those looking to grow their wealth, SoFi offers a range of investment options. Users can choose between active investing, where they manage their own stocks, and automated investing, which is where SoFi's robo-advisor builds and manages a diversified portfolio for you. SoFi even offers access to IPOs and cryptocurrency trading, which isn't actually common among digital banks. There are no management fees for automated investing, making it accessible for people just getting started with investing. Then we have the SoFi app, which is the center of all of their offerings. Through the app, you can manage checking, savings, loans, and investments in one place. It's designed to be easy to use, and it allows users to check balances, transfer money, pay bills, apply for loans, and even trade stocks. Some people really love the all-in-one approach, while others feel the app can get cluttered with promotions for other SoFi products. But for those who want a one-stop shop for finances, SoFi's app does a great job of keeping everything in one place. Traditional banks like Chase and Wells Fargo provide branch access, but they lack SoFi's high APYs and charge more fees. For anyone comfortable with digital banking, SoFi's combination of features makes it a great choice. So it goes without saying that SoFi is perfect for people who want to manage their finances digitally without the hassle of fees. It's ideal for those looking to maximize their savings with high interest rates and organize their goals with features like vaults and roundups. With a full suite of financial products, checking, savings, loans, mortgages, and investments, SoFi is a great fit for anyone who prefers an all-in-one app for their financial needs. However, if you need in-person banking, a traditional bank may suit you better. Also, don't forget, if you're interested in checking out SoFi, there's that link in the description with some savings attached, so feel free to use that if it helps. And that's all I have for today's video, folks. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any further questions, leave those in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, make sure to take care.